In the Midwestern states, corn was king. It was well suited to the rich soil and moderately humid weather. Harvesting was handled in different ways. Corn plants that were slightly green could still be cut, wrapped in bundles, and placed in shocks. This was a simple method of storing the corn. The ears would be cut later, and the stalks were used as feed for livestock. A slightly faster method involved a corn sled, a wooden platform pulled between the rows as a blade sliced the stalks. Two operators were needed, and the sled stopped frequently in order to tie off bundles. Early corn binders used mechanization to bundle and tie off the corn stalks. Fully matured corn could be picked by hand. Special gloves utilized a small peg or spike, which assisted in stripping the husk away from the ear. On a good day, from sunrise to sunset, a farmer could pick and husk 100 bushels of corn. The fall was often the time for field work, like plowing, as the farmer prepared the soil for winter wheat.